What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Stocks with You. I am your host, Ulises Herrera, and please remember, before we get started, hit the subscribe button and the notification bells for all the videos. That way you guys are up to date on the latest information on what we're talking about, on everything that we talk about. Most of the time is time sensitive, so if you see something and you're acting upon it, make sure you're watching up-to-date videos. Don't watch a video that's a week old and think the information is still relevant. The market moves very fast, and what was relevant a day or two ago or three ago could potentially become irrelevant within a couple of days. So just want to give you guys that heads up. We're going to talk about a few things today. We're going to talk about three things. Today we're going to talk about taking profits, what's important about taking profits and why. And we're gonna talk about thinking about the long term. Slow and steady wins the race. Think about it that way. And we're gonna talk about Bitcoin and Dogecoin. Just little updates on those, and then we'll see where everything takes us. All right, guys. So let's get started. Without further ado, I'm not gonna hold you guys back because I value your time. So, okay, to start, you guys, we need to take profits whenever possible. If you guys invest in a stock and you make money, take your profit. So let's say you invest, $100 on a stock, and then you come up 30%. So 30% of 100 is $30. If you make 30%, let's say in a day or two, I would definitely take the money. You always want to take those short-term profits because that's how you win steady and long. Most of the time you can wait for a big pot, but that could turn against you very quickly. If you're waiting for like that 50% return and then the next day the stock tanks down and your return is now only 5% or 10% or you're losing money, you always want to take some profits whenever you're making money. Anytime I'm up over 20 to 25% or even 15%, like if I feel the stock has, I'm noticing and watching the trends and watching the charts and noticing that the stock is losing momentum, I take my profits at 15%, even less sometimes, 10%. If you want to make 10%, it's cool. 10% is still a great return on your money any day. If you make 10% return on your money in 1 or 2 days, that's awesome. That's money you would have never seen in the bank on a 2-day return. So long story short, take your money. If you're making money, always take some money off the table. If you're waiting for that long-term return, then it's fine. But you have to know exactly what you want out of your trade. But if you got some money coming in, why not take it? I always encourage everybody to take those small wins because those small wins always add up to a bigger pot. Unless you want to wait for one really big pot that may or may not happen, up to you. But I always encourage everybody, take little profits. If you see a 30% return, 20% return, 15% return in a day or two, take that money out, take that $30 out that you've made in profit and keep the rest in. Keep the rest working. If you're noticing that the stock is losing momentum or you see the stock going down, maybe take everything out. It's up to you. But I always encourage, take some profit. That's what I do. I just basically, if I see profit, I take my profit and then I let the initial investment keep working to make more money. But you can do something else. Let's say that you invest $100 and you make 30%. You take that, you take your original $100 investment because now you have $130 and you just keep the $30 in there working for you. So you take all of your initial investment out and then you keep that $30, that's 100% profit working for you to make more money. You can think of it two ways. You can think of it, you take out your profit and then you keep your nice profit and keep the initial investment working, or you can take your initial investment out and keep the profit working to make more money. That way you're not risking any of your money anymore. If you take the initial the initial investment out, and now you just keep the profit in there, it's like you've never even put in money because now you have only profit working. And if that profit works and it keeps growing and growing, then obviously you have nothing to worry about because your initial investment is secure. It's back into your pocket and now you're just working with profit. You're only working with money you've never really had. So yes, as I was saying, don't bet the farm on one horse. unless you have to have multiple horses in order to make money. You can't just, you could rely on one horse, but you're setting yourself up for potentially a either really good play or a disastrous play, or you know, you just gotta diversify your portfolio. That's what I'm trying to say. So next thing we're gonna talk about, let's recap on what's going on with Bitcoin. Let's talk about what's going on with this whole crazy, you know, DeFi, you know, what it means, what is cryptocurrency, what is Dogecoin. A lot of people may be confused, but we're gonna just talk lightly on it here, and you guys can do more research, and I will eventually go into a longer in-depth video about what Bitcoin or DeFi is, decentralized financial technology. So, okay, so actually, before we get into that, guys, let's go talk about HOL. HOL is, I was mentioning, the day after we talked about HOL, you know, Astra, the SPAC, the Special Acquisition Company, the day after we talked about it, it shot up 15%. So if you had invested money into that, you would have gotten a 15% return right there. Then and there, one day later, you would have seen a 15% return on your money. So you could have taken those profits. Now, once again, remember, these special acquisition companies take some time. Sometimes they don't merge for a couple of weeks, even a couple of months. So right now, the stock HOL, it kind of took a small dip. It took a small dip along with the market, the whole market in general. A lot of it, you know, we had some downward momentum, some downward trends. But once again, things will come back up. So if you are an HOL, don't panic. Keep your money in there. The hype is still strong. You know, it's just sometimes stocks, they follow the market and they either go down or up with the market. But if you're in HOL and let's say you made money that day, which, you know, some people did, because the day after I talked about it, it went up 15%, which is, you know, pretty decent return. So if you're still in it, I'd still stay in it. You still have room for growth. But once again, everything is up to you. I'm not telling you exactly how to manage your money. I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to, you know, contact your financial advisor about all these things you're doing, please do so, because I am not that guy. But I am here to, you know, just give you guys on perspective on how I'm doing things and what I encourage you guys to do, things that I've learned along the way in investing in the stock market, because I really had nobody else to teach me. So now let's get into the next thing, guys. So we're going to talk about what is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is basically going to change the world. Bitcoin is a form of digital currency that is decentralized from any government, meaning it cannot be manipulated, it cannot be dictated, and it cannot be printed at the will of any government. So Bitcoin has a 21 million coin cap, meaning once there is 21 million coins mined, there will be no more. So whatever value each coin has at that time and day, that's going to be most likely the base level value for Bitcoin. Granted, 21 million Bitcoins will not be mined until the end of 2140. So if you're still alive in the year 2140 and you know what the price of Bitcoin is, please do tell me, because I'm not sure if I'm going to be alive. I'm not sure if any of us will be alive. That's about close to 100 years from now. But with the way technology is moving, I wouldn't be surprised if some of us are still around. You know, we're gonna live to 120 pretty soon. So that's gonna be cool. So Dogecoin. What is going on with Dogecoin? Did you guys know that Elon Musk bought Dogecoin for his kid? Yes, the world's richest billionaire, pretty much our guy who we follow, the guy who we model what we do. I model a lot of things I do after Elon Musk. I'm very encouraged by Elon Musk. I want to be an Elon Musk one day, you know, or something of that sort. The guy is a visionary. He's a pioneer. He's just awesome. He's an awesome human, and I would love to have Elon Musk come on my channel one day. So Elon Musk, if you're ever listening to this, please, I would love to interview you. I would love to go to your factories and see what's happening and show the world about all the amazing things you're doing. So just a heads up, Elon Musk, if you're hearing this or you're watching this, I would love to interview you. Please hit me up. I and a lot of people really look up to you. So anyways, Dogecoin. Elon Musk bought Dogecoin for his kid. If Elon Musk sees something in Dogecoin to buy for his kid, that's a good thing. That means that there is potential for this Dogecoin to keep going up in the future. The world's richest man doesn't invest in something because he thinks it's garbage or he thinks it has no potential. So if Elon Musk bought this coin for his kid, that means that he has the vision that this coin is probably going to be a lot more valuable when his kid is growing up, or when, you know, his kid gets to college or whatnot, whatever. But when you know that this guy is buying something, that probably means you need to take a double look at it. I have a long-term portfolio of Dogecoin. I have coins that I'm not touching, I'm not messing with. They're just there. They're gonna be there for 10, 15 years. Who knows how much they're gonna be worth that from now. Bitcoin used to be worth $1. It used to be worth cents years ago. And look at it now. So this Dogecoin could be potentially the next Bitcoin. Who knows, really? But when you have Elon Musk buying it and buying it for his family members, that means he's probably got a forward-looking potential of many years to where this currency may be valuable. Now, I also have Dogecoin separate to where I trade it, and I make money from it pretty much, you know, every day or every other day, maybe every other week. You know, I still make money from Dogecoin pretty often, and if you see profit, take it. Take your profit, because Dogecoin is very volatile, which is actually very good. You can get in and get out and make money, but don't hold through and watch your money make money and then lose money and then make money and lose money. If you're gonna get into Dogecoin, you can play it two ways. You can play it the long, safe way and just let it do its thing and wait for it to one day be worth, you know, $100 a share. That'd be crazy, right? $100 each coin. Imagine that people that have like 100,000 coins. That's a lot of money. Or you can trade it from intraday, like every other day or every time it hits a spike. If you buy it at 0.5 and it goes to 0.7, you've made some money, take that money. So you can play it two ways. I'm not telling you guys exactly what to do, but those are just suggestions that I've been doing and I've been making money from Dogecoin. And that about wraps it up. Thank you very much, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. And please, once again, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, hit the notification bells, share, and do all that stuff so we can keep this channel growing, this momentum going, because we will be making money. We will be looking out for what is hot. We will be following all the technologies that will change the world. So just a heads up. Thank you for watching, guys, and remember, you can get out of the rat race too.